Are you ready to become a certified Photoshop expert and take your creative career to the next level? Hi, my name is Martin Perhiniak, Adobe certified instructor with over 20 years of experience teaching Adobe design tools and working as a creative for brands like Disney, BBC, Unilever and Nickelodeon. I am excited to introduce you to the Adobe Certified Professional in Visual Design Using Photoshop Exam Guide. I know it's a mouthful, but this course is your complete companion to prepare you for the official Adobe certification exam, the highest industry-recognized credential for Photoshop users. You will get in-depth video training about all the topics, practice exams, exercise files, and detailed downloadable guides to help you review every important topic. And the best part, you can now take the exam from the comfort of your home. No need to travel to an exam center anymore. Why should you consider taking this exam? Well, because becoming an Adobe certified professional proves to employers, clients, and peers that you have real-world, job-ready Photoshop skills. It's an incredible way to boost your resume, your confidence, and stand out in a competitive creative market. It also opens doors to freelance opportunities, career advancements, or even higher salaries. Whether you are just starting out or looking to solidify your expertise, this certification gives you a powerful, recognized credential that will set you apart. Whether you are already comfortable in Photoshop or starting fresh, this course will help you build the skills you need to pass the 50-minute live in the app exam with confidence. Even if you're brand new to Photoshop, you can be exam ready in less than a week by following this course carefully. It's important to mention that the certification exam isn't included and needs to be booked separately. But don't worry, I will walk you through everything you need to know to succeed. If you're serious about becoming a recognized Photoshop pro, this is your first step. I can't wait to guide you on this journey, so it's time to get started.